So what's going on, everybody? So I'm giving y'all a quick update, man. What's going on with a situation for a car for the channel. So make a long story short, man, I'm pretty hesitant on which car I was gonna get. For those that know me, I have been a Hellcat Charger has been a dream of mine since like probably 2015, since they probably first came out. But recently, after I sold my car, I kind of fell into the BMWs and Audi. So I was stuck between the Audi RS5, a BMW M5, and pretty much the Hellcat. So again, make a long story short, what happened was I was gonna get the BMW M5. I had a deal, everything worked out. It got approved. The car was 117K. It was so nice, Marina blue. Had the nice gray and black wheels. Pretty much was loaded, everything. Had everything I wanted on it. But what happened was when we went to get the paperwork and numbers and everything done, the car had a no-sell recall on it. So that's why I didn't get the BMW. That one kind of flopped. I went down the route of the RS5 just because I don't see a lot of RS5s out. And I think that car is a really nice looking car. I couldn't really go drive one because of COVID-19. You know, all the dealers are closed right now, so can't really drive much. So I went and looked at one. They're nice cars, man, but they're just not for me. It's not kind of what I'm looking for. I think they are beautiful cars, though. Don't get me wrong. I probably would buy one in the future, but right now, just not what I was looking for. So I kind of passed on the Audi as well. I'm down to one car I should get. But I'm gonna keep you updated as we go along throughout this process right now. Again, no dealers are open. All plants are closed. So it's kind of hard to buy a car right now. But at the same time, it's the best time to buy a car, which is very weird. Which is kind of crazy because great deals on cars, but you can't buy a car. So, and believe it or not, we're gonna have something probably gonna have something soon, maybe worst case scenario, a month or so, because we gotta wait for plants to open back up. I'm probably gonna have my car built just because any car that's out there just doesn't have the options I want, and then the ones that do have the option I want don't have the right color, right interior. So we're probably gonna have one built from scratch with our color, our interior, our wheels, our options, so I can be happy with it. I don't want to spend $70,000+ on a car and it doesn't have everything I want, you know. So we're gonna have it built completely from scratch. Just gotta figure out what color, what combo we want, what car we want. And then I'm gonna keep y'all updated. But stay tuned for the next video, because I'm gonna let you guys know all the deals going on for cars right now, because so many companies are hurting for sales. Oh, I thought that is the police. Wow, that's crazy. He's super low. Anybody that's new that subscribed to my channel for the 200 stuff and y'all got questions, feel free to ask me. I'm really not doing much right now. I've been hitting up a couple people recently with the comments, just getting back to y'all on what y'all need to know on about the car. If y'all got any questions on the 200, just let me know. It's kind of hard to do 200 content right now without a 200. My car is gone. I do miss my car like a lot, man. I'm gonna go for my dream car instead of going out and trying to do something different. I didn't want to get my dream car because I felt like it was too common. Everybody already got it. But if it's your dream, man, don't really matter what everybody got. Just go for your dream. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just go ahead and get my dream car. So, and then we're gonna go from there. If I feel like I should get something different, we're gonna switch out. Maybe wait a year or two and get something different. So, but appreciate y'all again. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm gonna let y'all know about all the deals like I mentioned with every car brand. There's a bunch of different brands with zero financing for 84 months plus 90 days or more without financing. Oh, I'm sorry, not without financing, but 90 days without deferred payments. Some companies are doing 180 days, but I'm gonna get back with y'all on that, on what brands that is, what cars qualify in that in those programs, and I'm gonna let y'all know, because that's all I've been doing on my whole quarantine. I just been looking up crazy car deals, stuff like that. So I'm gonna get back with y'all, man. Y'all stay safe out here. Stay in the house, man. If y'all gonna go out, make sure I got my mask. I don't got mine on right now, but I got it in the car with me just in case I gotta go into a store. But y'all be safe, man. I appreciate y'all. all the new subscribers. Appreciate y'all for joining. I know y'all came for the 200 content. I don't have a 200 no more. So if y'all got any questions, again, just leave them in the comments. Wherever video y'all need, I'll answer as many questions. I'll help y'all as much as I can. I even had a guy hit me up on Instagram. He need help putting in some inlines. I told him, listen, man, call me, FaceTime, whatever. I'll help you put up whatever install you got going on. I'll help you through it. That's what I'm here for, man, to help out. But I'm out, man. Y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day, man. Peace. Look, them boys out enjoying life. Acting dumb. Look at them. Jumping in front of the car.